Chandni. I'm a part of Panasonic organization in India, and this initiative of taking Ashish thing into our organization for feeding all those employees over here with a great energy was really a great step for our company to move ahead. And seriously, I feel blessed that I am working with Panasonic and I have been trained by Ashish, because he is tremendous in his work, and he seriously injected a kind of energy in me and all the departments and all the employees over here that we can drive our company in a greater direction. And I'm really loving it. Seriously, Ashish being a very tremendous leader and a trainer, and I am the champion and I am the best.
After attending Ashish's training today, I think I'm a changed person now, and for me, he's an inspiration, and I wish to have the same energy level as him. And I think I'll practice this in my life. And one thing I would like to tell about this training is that a very strong message was delivered in a wonderful way with doing all these activities. And once again, special thanks to Ashish and his team for conducting this for us. Thank you.
It was a lovely experience in this training. We learned a lot of things, and I think I'm going to implement most of them in my life, and I think I will feel a lot of difference in my coming years. And lovely session.
The program that we had today was one of the best programs that I ever had. So it was full of energy, enthusiasm, positivity. Hope the takeaway of the session for me and for all the participants should be able to practice this. Thank you.
So the session was great. I enjoyed it thoroughly, especially the kind of interactions we were having within the team and the kind of outcomes that came. The trainer explained to us in the end. Those were amazing.
It's a wonderful day. Undoubtedly goes without saying that fun and frolic was all through. But what it made us do was stop, think, rethink, and refocus. I'm sure from Monday it's going to be a complete new memories of life.
Yeah, I really enjoyed this session, and from my personal perspective, I think it's going to help me a lot, and which further will enhance my professional achievements also. I really love the program. Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, I just want to congratulate Ashish and his teams. I have attended many programs, in my previous organizations and also some workshops. But the way this was conducted was amazing. Initially, we thought there's going to be again a kind of a presentation with some management jargons and personality development jargons and all those things. But the way it was carried out was very different. It involved everybody participated, everybody enjoyed. More than just participating, everybody enjoyed what they were doing. And I think the way it was conducted was so involving that everybody has participated with full spirits and everybody is felt happy about this whole thing. So I just wish him and his team all the best, and we like to have some more programs with this team. So I think it really peps up everybody who has attended this program.